So in this tutorial, I've got a Cisco Roomba and it's running on MTR mode, and we're already in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So to start JIBB, just swipe to open the control panel and click on the JIBB button. Now, first mandatory step will be to entering in your email. This makes sure that when you finish the meeting, you'll get an autosave summary of everything that you've done. So to do that, just click on that and just enter in your email. Alright, now next step is to just tap start. Now it's important to make sure that you step outside of the view of the camera so it can detect all the four corners, so it can digitize it and put it in your meeting. And then you just wait for that to tick over. And then boom, there you go. And you just come over here and you can start writing on the board. Now, we can see the JIBB workspace right now, but everyone in your meeting cannot. So for them to be able to see that, what you're gonna have to do is come over to your team chat and type in join.jib.ai. We'll go over there, and then you're gonna give them the meeting ID and password. So I'll just type that in, and then once my remote participant joins, they can annotate, and also if you choose, they can share the screen. It'll do that now. This is optional. If everyone's gonna join the workspace anyway, they'll be able to see the workspace and can collaborate all in there together. And then what we can do is I'll come over here and we can both collaborate on the board together. There you go. Alright, so then once your meeting is finished, you'll just open up the control panel again, hit JIBB, and press stop. And then once you go to your email, you'll receive a autosave PDF of the entire meeting. And you can go from there. There you go. Boom. Alright, and there you go. There's your whole meeting summed up, and you're ready to go. So that's JIBB on MTR mode.